MHA, but the characters are eating candy. This character starts a mission called Operation Snickers because they love Snickers so much. She would. I just have to... She... Mina, I know. She would. I'm not kidding, she would. This character has such a big sweet tooth that they hide piles of candy in their dorm room. I could see him doing that. But, dude, you're gonna get cavities. This character finds Ojiro in his room, snacking on the pile of candy and wrappers everywhere. Wow. Just what? This character is snacking on candy while singing Hakuna Matata because they're like, I'm not gonna get any cavities. But you will, sir. You will. This character has never tried candy before, and somebody gave them some candy, and they were like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, that's actually kind of sweet. That's really sweet. Forgive the pun. Now this is the character that gave Ida the candy. Wow. I could see her doing that, like, yeah, This character steals all your candy and you have like buckets and buckets, big. You could just make your own candy, girl. This character is helping Momo steal your candy. Wow. Okay. Okay.